Today's date is August 2nd, 2015. We are at Valley Crossing. Today, we see an Indiana and Ohio train doing an interchange with Norfolk Southern. On this train is former BN 7014, now HLCX, former UP, now Ohio Central 722, and an Ohio Central locomotive painted in the Genesee and Wyoming colors. I don't know this engine's number though, because the camera's quality couldn't zoom in really that well on the locomotives. Right now this footage I'm using here is from my phone. It's really good when you don't zoom in, but when you start zooming in on my phone, it sort of gets a bit pixely. As the locomotives move the train into Watkins Yard, we leave them now to go to another day. Now the date is September 19th, 2015. Today, Conrail 8098 is in town. 8098 has uncoupled from its train and is going to turn around on the Y in Watkins Yard. Once this is done, 8098 will take its train from here and go all the way to Chicago, Illinois, its final destination. As we can see, that's the train 8098 has left. Now we move on to later on in the day to see another train at Watkins Yard. We have relocated to Bannon Diamond. This is where the Sandusky district crosses the Western Branch. The Western Branch runs from here to Bannon, Ohio. The Sandusky district also runs from here to Sandusky, Ohio. Right there is NS 4611. 4611 is a special locomotive because instead of having NS right on the side, it has Transcaer. The two locomotives next to the Transcaer locomotive, number 1125 and 8151, are waiting for a new crew to take it off the Sandusky district and continue it onto the Columbus district. The Columbus district runs from here to Portsmouth, Ohio. Soon they got the green light from the old N&W target signals, and then they left. And that concludes this video. Well, I hope you like this video, guys. See you later.